Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you about the cutting wall. This cutting wall is under the architecture. So here we go. Shall we start now? Okay, click on the new here. I will call it the construction template. Okay, please follow me. I will go into step by step slowly. Just make sure you follow it step by step. Okay. Then if I'm going to create the cutting wall, it's here, it's under here. This is the cutting system that using by machine. The machine is a lot of things to be explained, so that one I will be released one video. Okay guys, just wait for me, then another date. Okay, today I will show you the grid to the boolean here. Then before where we can create this glazing wall or something, the cutting wall, where that. So it is under architecture. It is a wall. You click down, you doesn't see any the cutting wall. Don't worry about that. You click on the architecture, then you click on the down arrow, then you scroll down, then you can see this is the cutting wall here. Okay, anything you like, whatever you want it, just choose it. Okay, I will show you one by one. This is the first one. What is the name? It's a cutting wall. Okay, I will show you another one. Okay, this is the exterior wall here. Another one. The last one is storefront. Okay, here we go. Shall we see in the 3D view? Okay, this is the front view here. You look at it here. This is the front view here. Okay, then this is the front view. This is the cutting wall. It's empty. Empty is like there's no grid line. There's no grid line for you. Is created for you plain. That is called is empty. Okay, this one is a cutting wall exterior glazing. So exterior is a glazing. The outside is glazing. It's different like that, but the whole thing is glass. Okay. Okay, then here is a grid line. The grid line is a two grid line, but you get two grid line here. Is horizontal, so one grid line at the center. Okay. This is a level line. I don't want to see it. I told you before that how to hide the level line here in the 3D view. In 2019, you can't see any level line in the 3D view. It's stuff from the 2020. Okay, please take note about it. Okay, before you click on the visibility, if you remember, the shortcut key is a VV. If you don't remember, just go here in the under the property box, go on here, visibility here, look for this. It's under graphic, click on it. Okay, the level line is under annotation category, just level and check. Okay, then we go back again here. This is the cutting wall with exterior glazing. Okay, another one is a storefront. We created the grid line for you. This is the grid line. This grid line for the mullion. If it doesn't have the empty one, you have to create it your own. This is according to your customize the grid line according to the drawing, according to the architect drawing. So where the architect they wanted to the grid line, where they wanted to be the mullion is like spacing, much spacing. So after you created the empty one, then you follow based on the drawing. Okay, this one is automatically for you. Then this is the one is storefront using like this. Okay, another thing is just before I created for you mullion. Okay, somebody says a boolean, somebody says mullion. This is according to the different country essence. Okay, forget about it. Okay, this is the empty one. Okay, before you create it, you can slant it this one. This is under here. This is under go straight. Then you can see that this is a slanted. It's sometimes the architect's reading is like 20 degrees slanted. The surface is like based on the architect design. So if you want to slant that, just click standard and you type in here is a 10 degree slant. If minus 10 degree, you will slant it behind. you look at on the navigator here. It says front view. Okay, whatever the angle line you can choose to the cross section is a slanted here. Is it? Don't worry about that. Is there any sometimes like if you want to create the slanted wall, use this way, use this method. Okay, please take note. Okay, I will go back to vertical one. Okay, this is already created for you the grid line. So I will going to create the grid line on empty cutting wall. Okay, I will go on the under architecture here, going to here. This is the under grid, then the cutting grid. Where you want the grid line is here. So okay, the vertical line, if you want to create the 1 meter, you look at on the left side is showing you the dimension is 1 meter, the right side is 4 meter. Okay, I will click on here. This is the vertical, another 1 meter here, another 1 meter here, and another 1 meter here. If I want to 2 meter, or okay, whatever, 2 meter and 2 meter. Okay, this is how it show you. Okay, now I am going to create a boolean. This one, you click it, you can choose whatever you want in here. This is available in the system. If you want the customize boolean, so you have to create it the family, and this is your customize. Okay, now I will choose this is a radius. I will choose a smaller size, 30 mm, 30 millimeter. Okay, if I click on this line, only one vertical line. If I choose this, the whole grid line is highlighted blue, so means the whole thing will be created. Okay, I will control that, then I will show you one by one. This is the whole grid line according to your created the cutting wall. Okay, I created this. If you choose a grid line segment, okay, if you choose a grid line segment, this one will be this one. So time consuming. Choose this all grid line. You will create the whole thing. If you don't want this, you delete it, and you can delete anything you want. This you don't want, okay, and delete like that. Okay, then another thing, okay, this the whole thing, same thing, just manual click on the whole grid, click, and just click finish. Very simple one, don't worry. And one more thing, this is very important thing for you to understand. Okay, the glass cannot be bent. If you bend, it's a real world, it will be cracked. Okay, now the technology is very advanced, so they can cut, they can produce a product. It's like a cup shape or whatever, but the revit, it doesn't have this yet. Okay, I will show you how to cup shape in with the cutting wall. I will show you now. Okay, I will choose the architecture wall. Then you can choose any of it. Okay, I will choose empty. Then you can see available to the draw sketch line. So if I want the curve shape, I will create that look like. Okay, this is the 3 point. Okay, you see the 3 point here, step and radius. Okay, you see that left and right. He is guide to you in the right side. I can. You look at this. You see that? You see the arrow, the gray arrow, left, right, and curve. Okay, I will go second point and curve. Okay, if you select on this, we will show into the curve shape here. Okay, we look at on this 3D view. He doesn't have the curve yet. Okay, this curve will be the curve will be according to the grid line. He will be banded for you. Okay, I will show you now. If your grid line is so near, the cut will be so nicer. If your cut is a little bit far from the second point to the third point, that won't be cut shape or cycle shape. It doesn't have it. So I will show you now. Go to the architecture, then choose to the cutting grid line, this grid line. Okay, I will click on it. You look at it, this is a horizontal shape. Okay, before I create the horizontal shape, if you want to the curved shape for cutting wall, choose the horizontal line. Okay, right now this is a 7 degree. 7 degree will be bent at 9 degree, 7 degree, another 7 degree, another 7 degree, another 7 degree, this degree. Okay, I just go into the randomly. Okay, randomly go in there. You see the black the dotted line. He's going that way. If you go in closer, see, look at this. Look at this. Look on the plan. His cut for you is automatically like that. You want to move the grid line, go on the plan view, just move it. Just move it. You see, the cut is so nicer. If you're very far, the cut is not really nice. Okay. It's very rough. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. If you want to create another grid line, okay, I will create that on here. See? Look at this. So nice. Okay, I will create that. Right now, you can create the horizontal grid line. Whatever you want, just like this. Okay, the cup will be showing you like this. Okay, now I will go into the margin. Choose the all grid line. Done. Okay. This is very important. If someone is not touching this, so you will forget. Oftenly you are using the revit, you will be good. You will be good at it. Keep practice. Don't give up. If anything you doubt, comment down below. I will right away to answer to you. I always be for you. Come chat with me and email me something. If you doubt something, just email me or you comment down below. I will right away to answer you. I am always for you, free. You don't need to pay anything. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.